Now let's finish this drawing up by placing some center lines in there. As you can see, I've already made my center line layer the active layer, and I'm going to draw a line exactly from this midpoint to a point that is perpendicular to this line. I'm going to use the stretch tool and stretch the end point of that center line in this direction by 0.1875. I'm going to repeat that by stretching this end point in this direction by the same distance. I'm going to click on my dimension pull-down menu and click center mark. And I'm going to place a center mark at the center of that circle. Now I'm going to draw a center line from this end point to a point that's perpendicular to this line. I'll use the trim tool to make this line a cutting edge and trim that center line. And just like I did before, I'm going to use that stretch tool to stretch the end point of that line in this direction by 0.1875. I'm going to repeat that command and stretch the other end point in the opposite direction by the same amount. Now I'm going to copy this center line from that end point to that end point. Since all of these construction lines are no longer needed, I'm going to select them and delete them. And now we have a completed locator.